Good morning, YouTube. This is Jane with Texas Two-Stepper, and I am here this morning at Palmetto State Park in Gonzales, Texas. It's just between Gonzales and Luling, and this is a very nice park. There really isn't anybody here right now except for me and the camp host. I think there's a couple of campers up on the other side by the lake, and really enjoyed it last night. It was very quiet. As soon as it got dark, I think everybody went inside. It cooled off a little bit, and I spent one night at Lockhart State Park. Very nice park. It's $20 a night plus $3 admission fee per night, and unless you have a Texas State Park pass, and then the admittance fee is free. And I am going to be staying 3 nights here. It is $12 a night for water only, and that's all I need, just to have access to water. It's cool enough where I don't need a fan or anything, so I don't need the electricity. And I did also have the 3 coupons for half off camping on your 3rd night, so my 3rd night was only $6. So that's not too bad. $30 for 3 nights in State Park. Nice place to come and relax. Had a little fire last night in the fire pit. Sitting here this morning watching the birds. There's been some little woodpeckers up in the trees. And I'll go for right now, and then I'll come back in a little bit, which will be just a second or 2 for you, and show you around the park a little bit more. Y'all have a great day.